The Yamaha Ténéré 700 Rally is the latest addition to Yamaha's esteemed lineup of adventure motorcycles. Designed to excel on the most challenging terrains, this bike builds upon the robust foundation of the standard Ténéré 700, incorporating enhancements that make it a top choice for serious off-road enthusiasts. Design and aesthetics, the Ténéré 700 Rally stands out with its rugged, rally-inspired aesthetics. Key design elements include rally seat, elevated and flatter seat for improved rider mobility and comfort during long rides. Special livery, unique graphics and color scheme that pay tribute to Yamaha's storied rally heritage. High fender, positioned higher for better mud clearance and an authentic off-road appearance. Performance and engine at the core of the Ténéré 700 Rally is its reliable and powerful 689cc parallel twin engine. Performance highlights include power output, 72 horsepower, delivering ample power for both on-road cruising and off-road adventures torque, 68 Nm, providing strong low-end and mid-range torque to tackle challenging terrains with ease transmission. A 6-speed gearbox ensuring smooth and precise gear shifts. Off-road capabilities engineered for demanding off-road conditions. The Ténéré 700 Rally is equipped with features that enhance its trail performance. Suspension. Long travel suspension with adjustable front forks and rear shock absorbers for optimal handling on rough surfaces. Wheels. 21-inch front and 18-inch rear spoked wheels fitted with off-road tires for superior grip and stability. Braking system. Dual front discs and a single rear disc with switchable ABS, offering excellent control and safety on varying terrains. Features and technology blending modern technology with its rugged design. The Ténéré 700 Rally includes LCD display, a clear and informative display showing essential data such as speed, gear position, and fuel level, LED lighting, high-performance LED headlights and taillights for enhanced visibility in all conditions, protection, robust engine guards and skid plates to protect vital components during intense off-road excursions.